What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk a little bit about advanced looping in FL Studio, okay? So this is some super dope stuff that I just found out about. I consider myself someone who knows a good amount about FL Studio, but there's just so many gems that you can find that you may never even know. So that's definitely why I'm here, is to help spread this knowledge. So check it, all right? Advanced looping, it's pretty crazy. All right, so we're gonna just throw a pattern down. We're just gonna keep it 4 bars for right now. All right, now to get into the advanced looping menu, we're gonna wanna click this little icon right here on the channel rack. But before we do that, let's right click it and then put colorful loop controls and always show advanced controls. That's gonna add a new little thing here on the channel rack. All right, we're gonna talk more about that in a second. Now, let's make sure this is on by clicking it and it's green. A little advanced looping text will pop up as well. All right, so let me show you what this does. This is powerful, all right? So we have this sample playing in the background and we're just going to, try to come up with a dope loop or a dope drum pattern. So we'll just put one kick there. Now, since it's on bar and I put the one kick, it automatically loops it for every single bar. So if we play it, so that's pretty crazy. You don't even have to put in all the notes. It'll just do it for you now. Same thing with the snare. We can keep it on bar as well. Now you see that's not exactly what we need it at. So we can go over to the little menu that resonates with whatever element we're messing with. We can drag it or use the middle mouse button. And we can go bar, beat, step. So this is just going to set the loop point, and it all depends on how you want it to loop. So get experimental by messing with this, but we'll keep the snare on a beat right now. So if we just play this. Super dope, right? Now the pattern I can drag out and it just automatically loops all of that. It puts all of the notes in for me. Now we can play it and manipulate it while it's going. So we can find some grooves and then see which ones we like. You see what I'm saying? That was just, all in real time, just me clicking a few kicks here and there or removing some, and then same thing with the snares. So you can get really saucy with this, all right? Don't sleep on the potential behind this advanced looping. It's crazy. Just get unique with it, get creative with it, and let me know what you do down below. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.